Hello, my name is Grace Davis, 5/27/2024. Dunbar's paper mainly focuses on covering advancements in gene therapy, specifically for hemophilia, which is a genetic bleeding disorder. His paper mainly focuses on the utilization of the RAAV vector and the clinical trials and research going into using this RAAV treatment for gene therapy to cure and help treat hemophilia. Dunbar's paper highlights key milestones over the past few decades, starting with the F9 and F8 genes, which led to the development of a recombinant factor product. The first RAAV liver-directed gene therapy clinical trial only involved 7 human participants, but they were still able to learn a lot from this clinical trial. They used an RAAV FIX vector for this trial, and the results helped show that there are 2 major obstacles for the sustained gene transfer using RAAV, and these issues stemmed from human humoral and cellular responses to the RAAV gene therapy treatment. Essentially, the human humoral response has to do with antibodies that are formed in the body after the injection of the RAAV vector, and this means that the treatment was only effective for the one injection, and that really limits how many times you can inject and transfuse these vectors into the patients, which limits the sustainability of treatment. The second obstacle regarding cellular response had to do with immune response to the capsid of the vector, and basically there was not a major safety concern related to the health of the participants, but there was a loss of transgenic expression, which means the efficacy of the gene therapy was lower. Overall, Dunbar's paper is able to move through the decades of research regarding gene therapy for treating hemophilia and all of the achievements and progress that has coupled to create a bright outlook for using gene therapy to treat hemophilia A and B. Even though there are definitely some obstacles based on the research, there's still hope for the future in using gene therapy for hemophilia A and B. Regarding my opinion of Dunbar's paper, I thought it was really interesting to learn more about gene therapy and how it can really be used to treat disease and revolutionize medicine and science, and I really enjoyed looking at the data and learning more about how vectors specifically can be utilized in gene therapy.